I don't know how, but I keep getting copyrighted for my lives. But so I'm gonna continue that, and this short thing, it might be 4 sections long, so yeah. But this one I said egg yolk, blah blah blah. I don't know if you guys can watch lives, but this is egg yolk, and it contains my messiness from my floor because I chopped it. It contains water, glue, activator, and baking soda, plus a little bit of lotion. That's the one. Oh my god, that meeting is so loud. I don't understand. Sorry, I'm not farting. It's the slime. It's very watery slime. That's why I called it water. Very liquidy. I can show you how liquidy it is.